Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Manzil. So in today's video we will discuss some important English words. Let's begin. The first one is substantive, which is an adjective which means ठोस or substantial. Synonyms are significant and essential, and antonym is inessential. Example sentences: there is no substantive evidence for the efficacy of these drugs. Next is disproportionate, which is an adjective which means asangat, यानी कि out of proportion to. Synonyms are inordinate, unreasonable, and antonym is proportionate. Example sentences: people usually spend a disproportionate amount of their income on fuel. Next is ominous, which is an adjective which means amangal, यानी कि threatening. Synonyms are menacing, baleful, and antonym is promising. Example sentences: the door closed with an ominous boom that echoed throughout the room. The door closed with an ominous boom that echoed throughout the room. Next is suppress, which is a verb which means dabana or subdue. Synonyms are defeat or conquer, and antonym is incite. Example sentences: the rising of the empire was completely suppressed. Next is rival, which is a noun which means pratidvandvi, यानी कि competitor. Synonyms are opponent, contestant, and antonym is partner. Example sentences: he has no serious rival for the job he wants to do. Next is faction, noun यानी कि अंदरूनी कलह कलेश, that is infighting. Synonyms are dissension and dissent. Antonym is harmony. Example sentences: the council was increasingly being split by faction. Next is abdicate, which is a verb which means त्यागना or disown करना. Synonyms are turn down, spurn. Antonym is accept. Example sentences: the government was accused of abdicating its responsibility. Next is overly, which is an adverb which means atyant or underly. Synonyms are excessively, inordinately. Antonym is moderately. Example sentences: she was a jealous and overly possessive woman. Next is expatriate, which is a verb which means emigrant. Synonyms are non-native or emigre. Antonym is national. Example sentences: American expatriates now live in London. Next is ideal, which is an adjective which means adarsh or perfect. Synonyms are best possible or supreme. Antonym is bad. Example sentences: the swimming pool is ideal for a quick dip. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.